Hello, in this video, we are going to talk about two most powerful options in Power BI, Include and Exclude. We will try to understand these two options with an example. So let's insert a column chart inside the canvas. We will click here on this column chart, increase its size. Now we can see some fields like x-axis, y-axis, and legend. Inside x-axis, we will add subcategories. And inside y-axis, we will add cells. So we have subcategories on the x-axis and cells on the y-axis. Include and exclude work like a filter in Power BI. For example, I want to compare binders and machines subcategories at the same time. Then I can use the include command. I will just press and hold the control key, select binders and then machines, right click and click on include. So now you can see that only two subcategories have been included and all the other categories have been excluded from our chart. When we navigate on the filters section, then we can see the included filter has been added. If we want to remove it, then we will just click here on this cross button and it will be removed. Similarly, if we want to analyze the chart without some subcategories, for example, tables, fonts, and accessories, then we will press and hold the control key, select these three subcategories, right click, and click on exclude. So now these are the categories without those excluded categories. So now we can analyze this chart without those three categories. Again, when we will navigate on the filters section, then we can see the excluded filter has been added. Again, we can remove it by just clicking on the cross button. And that's it. I hope the video was helpful for you. That's all for this video.